Good morning, students. Welcome back to another session of GK, students. Today we will start our next lesson number 6, medals and awards. Students, there are some corrections, so take out your pen and write down in help box. First option, National Award, and second option, Gallantry Award. Students, add some options in your help box. First option, National Awards, and second option, Gallantry Award. Students, see question number 3. In question number 3, there is Independence Day is written. So cut that Independence Day and write there Republic Day. Students, in question number 3, Independence Day is written there. So cut that Independence Day and write down there Republic Day. Okay, students, now let us start question answer session. Answer the following. Which prestigious award is being given in India every year for literary work? Answer is Gyanpith Award. It is the highest literary award in India, given annually for the best creative literary writing to writers in any of the 22 scheduled languages recognized in the Indian Constitution. The prize carries a cash award, a citation, and a bronze replica of Vagdevi, the goddess of learning. Next question. Name the most prestigious and precious award of the world. Answer is the Nobel Prize. The Nobel Prize is not a single prize but 5 separate prizes that, according to Alfred Nobel's will of 1895, are awarded to those who during the preceding year have conferred the greatest benefit of humankind. It is considered to be the most prestigious award available in the field of chemistry, literature, physics, psychology, peace activism, or medicine. The prize ceremonies take place annually. Each recipient receives a gold medal, a diploma, and a monetary award. Next question. Who is awarded on Republic Day from Bal Kalyan Parishad? Answer is Brave Children. The award was launched in 1996 as a National Child Award for Exceptional Achievement. In 2018, the award was recognized as Bal Shakti Puraskar. It is given to children for unbelievable accomplishments in innovation, scholastic achievements, social service, arts, culture, sports, and bravery. Any child who is an Indian citizen and is between 5 to 18 years of age is eligible for the award. The children are given a medal along with a cash prize rupees 1 lakh plus book vouchers worth rupees 10,000. The students are also given a certificate and a citation. This award is given away every year in the week preceding the Republic Day. Next question. Name the supreme honor given every year to teacher. Answer is National Award. It is the National Award to the teachers awarded by the President of India on 5th September every year to give public recognition to meritorious teachers working in primary, middle, and secondary schools in India. Next question. Name the Supreme Award declared on Independence Day in India. Answer is Gallantry Award. The Gallantry Awards are announced twice a year, first on Republic Day and then on Independence Day to honor the soldiers of India's Defence Force for their remarkable performance. The order of precedence of these awards is the Paramvir Chakra, the Ashoka Chakra, the Mahavir Chakra, the Kirti Chakra, the Veer Chakra, and the Shaurya Chakra. Next question. For which sports Ranji Trophy awarded? Answer is cricket. It is a domestic first-class cricket championship played in India between multiple teams representing regional and state cricket associations. The competition currently consists of 38 teams, with all 28 states in India and 4 of the 8 union territories having at least one representation. The competition is named after the first Indian cricketer who played international cricket, Ranjit Singh Ji, who was also known as Ranji. Next question. For which art is the Lata Mangeshkar Award given? Answer is music. The Lata Mangeshkar Award is a national level award instituted to honor works in the field of music. Various state governments of India presents award with his name. The state government of Madhya Pradesh started this award in 1984. The award consists of a certificate of merit and a cash prize. There are also a Lata Mangeshkar Award issued by the Maharashtra government starting from 1992. This is also officially known as Lata Mangeshkar Award for Lifetime Achievement. Another award is given by the Andhra Pradesh government. Next question. To whom is Arjuna Award given? Answer is Best Sportsman. It is given by the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports Government of India to recognize outstanding achievement in national sports. Instituted in 1961, the award carries a cash prize of rupees 5 lakh, a bronze statue of Arjuna, and a scroll. Now students, fun fact. Nobel Prizes are given in the highest form of the recognition for the human endeavors and excellence. The prizes are given to both individual as well as institution. Now students, we will meet our next session. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day.